Hello all, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be explaining about the binary addition and subtraction. The links of all my previous videos have been given in the description box. So let us move on to the video. The topics that I have covered in the previous lectures are fundamentals of digital circuits, elements of digital logic, nines complement and tens complement, binary to decimal, decimal to binary, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. And also I have done a few videos on the solutions of the questions given in this slide. The link of all these videos have been given in the description box. So let us start with binary addition and subtraction. The binary addition is very interesting and very simple to learn. There is a rule that you have to follow in this binary addition. It is like this: 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 1 plus 0 equal to 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 1 0. 1 0 means 0 with a carry. 0 with a carry of 1. So this is the rule for binary addition. Let us do the example. Add the binary numbers 1101.101 and 111.011. So in order to solve this problem, you have to know the rule of addition. The rule of addition is 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 1 plus 0 equal to 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 0 with 1 carry. So this is the rule for addition. So let us write down the numbers that has to be added. 1101.101 plus 111.011. So this is the binary numbers that has to be added. So what is 1 plus 1? 1 plus 1 is 0 with 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 0 with 1 carry. Now this 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is again 0 with 1 carry. Now here this 1 plus this 1 plus 1 equal to 0 with 1 carry plus 0 again 0 with 1 carry. Now what is 1 plus 1 plus 1? 1 plus 1 equal to 0 with 1 carry. Add one more 1 with this. You will get 1 with 1 carry. 1 with 1 carry. Now 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with 1 carry. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1 with 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 0 with 1 carry. So the answer is, final answer is 101.000. So this is the final answer. Next, let us do the binary subtraction. In binary subtraction, you have to follow this rule. 0 minus 0 equal to 0. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. 1 minus 0 equal to 1. 0 minus 1 is equal to 1 with a borrow of 1. So this is the rule that you have to follow while doing the subtraction of two binary numbers. Let us do this example. Subtract 111.111 to the base 2 from 1010.01 to the base 2. 1010.01 minus 111.111. Can we subtract 1 from 0? No. So what we have to do? In the normal subtraction, we borrow a digit from the next digit. Similarly, in binary, you borrow a bit from the next digit. So when you borrow a bit from the next digit, the digit here, the 0 will change to 1 0. 1 0, and you have to subtract 1 0 from 1, which is possible. At the same time, when you have already borrowed this 1 from here, this 1 will become 0. 1 will become 0. So 1 0 minus 1 is 1. Again here you cannot subtract 1 from 0. So you have to borrow from the next bit, which is not possible because it is also 0. And after this decimal you have one more bit which is not possible. You cannot borrow from here. It is 0. But you can borrow from this bit 1. So when you borrow a bit from this 1, when it goes to the immediate next bit, this next bit will become 1 0. This will become 1 0. And from this 1 0 you can borrow a bit to the next bit, so that this 1 0 will become 1 and this bit will become 1 0. The 0 will become 1 0 here. Again from this 1 0 you can borrow one bit to the next bit, so that this 0 will become 1 0. And what about this 1 0? It will become 1. Now you can subtract 1 0 minus 1, which is equal to 1, and 1 minus this 1 is equal to 0. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. What about this 1? You have already borrowed this 1, so that it will become 0. Now again the same problem arises here. You cannot subtract 1 from 0. Therefore, you will try to borrow from the next bit, which is not possible because it is 0. So that you will go to the next bit. It is 1. It is possible to borrow one bit from here, so that this 0 will become 1 0. And from this 1 0 you are going to borrow a bit to the next bit, so that the 0 will become 1 0 and this 1 0 will become 1. So in the next step you have to subtract 1 0 minus 1, which is equal to 1, and this 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. And what about this 1? This has already been borrowed. It will become 0. Write that here, 0. So this is the final answer, 0 0 1 0.011. So this is the final answer.